Hello everyone, in this video I would like to show you how you can have multiple working desktop right here. Let me show you how cool is it. For, for example, I'm working with virtual desktop right here. So it works right here and the background like this. And I try to switch to another. I have only one open. But if I go to tab view right here, I switch to this one. See, different desktop background and have only one program running right here in record, and another is not desktop. So it have different application of that. So how we do that? So make sure you have task view right here. If you don't have, just go right click on taskbar, setting, enable tab view right here. Okay, after that, just click on it, and you can have multiple desktop. You can add more. And one thing first, you can rename it. Just right click and rename it. For example, I say uh, testing, enter. And how I can have different background, just right click and choose background. For example, this one, just close it. So boom. And yeah, this different background and different application running. See? Okay, let's move on. We can close it. Close mean delete it. Or you can move to the left or this one. If it have application running, it will show up like this one. When we move, just move our mouse on each desktop, we can have it. Or we just click it, close it. For example, this one, it close it. So we got only this. This program is moved to the left with this different desktop. But I move here, I don't have most, I have only one tab right here. So it very easy and simple to set up. Just play around and you can change different desktop background. Okay, hope you learned something from this video. See you next time.